Happy learning everyone. Today we are going to talk about divisibility rule of numbers, which is important for qualitative and quantitative aptitudes. So first you are going to write down the numbers from 2 to 19. Then know about the each divisible rule for the numbers. We have written your numbers so that we are going to find the divisible rule of all this number. So first now let us start with a divisible rule for 2. As all this divisible rule help for the easy as well as faster calculation for any competitive exams. Divisible rule of 2. So what is the divisible rule for 2? Any number which is going to end with the even number or 0. Any number which ends with the even number or 0. So you can consider the different examples, etc. So in that case, you can consider that the given number is divisible by 2. Observe the example here. In case of this example, that is 1628, 8 is last digit. As we know that 8 is a even number, we can say that the given number is divisible by 2. Now, divisible rule of 3. Add all the digits of given number, then check whether the answer of adding numbers is divisible by 3. If the answer is divisible, then the complete given number is divisible by 3. Example 3, 4, 2. Add the digit. After that, whatever there is an answer, it should be divisible by 3. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by 3. Now, let us see for the divisible rule of 4. In the given number, we need to see last two digits. If the numbers are divisible by 4, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 4. Example 160 has 60 is divisible by 4. We can say that 160 is, whatever there is 160, it is divisible by 4. Next one is divisible rule of 5. In the given number, if the last digit is divisible by 5 or 0, we can say that the number is divisible by 5. Example 250, 350, 0, 5 ending numbers are divisible by 5. Next one is divisible rule of 6. If the given number is divisible by 2 and 3, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. When the given number is divisible by 2 as well as 6, then we can say whatever number is given, it is considered to be as divisible by 6. Here apply both divisible rule of 2 and 3. So when it obeys, when the given number obey the divisible rule of 2 and 3, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. Next one is divisible rule of 7. For the given number, see the last digit. Whatever there is a last digit, multiply it with the 2. Whatever there is a last digit, multiply it with the 2. Now subtract the first two digits with the answer whatever you have got. As that number is going to be divisible by 7, we can say that the given number is divisible by 7. You can take any example and see to it. Divisible rule of 8. In the given number, see the last 2 or 3 digits. Then if it is divisible by 8, then the entire number is divisible by 8. So first thing, any example you can take. The divisible rule of 9. Add all the digits of given number. If the number is divisible by 9, then whatever they have given the number, it is also divisible by 9. And this rule, divisible rule, is similar to the 3. Divisible rule of 10. So now let us see what is the divisible rule of 10. When the last two digits of given number is 0, then we can say that it is divisible by 10. So you can take your example as 300, 350. So 350 is not divisible by 10 because last two digits is 50. Divisible rule of 11. We need to group the even digit and odd digit number of the position in the given numbers based on their position. Then we need to add them. Next, we need to subtract or find the differences between them. Now here 917 is given. So first you are going to group them into even and odd digits based on their position. 1 comma 4 and 9 comma 7. So 1 comma 4, when you are going to add, you are going to get one answer, and by adding odd digits you are going to get another answer. Later you need to find the differences between the odd digits as well as even digits. Divisible rule of 12. The given number, for the divisible rule of 12, the given number should be divisible by 3 and 4. Then we can surely say that the given number is divisible by 12. Example 108, divisible rule of 3 is adding the digit, that is 9 is divisible by 3. Divisible rule of 4, see last two digit, it is divisible by 4. The next one is divisible rule of 13. Look at the last digits in the given numbers. Then you are going to multiply the last digit with the 4. Then you are supposed to multiply what? Last digit with the 4. Then you are supposed to add that with the remaining digits of the number. Here 3 to 5, 5 into 4 is 20. You are going to add with remaining digits, that is 32 plus 20 is equal to 52. As we know that 52 is divisible by 30, we can say that the given number is divisible by 13. Divisible rule of 14. The given number should be divisible by 7 and 2. Divisible by 14. So we know the divisible rule of 7. Whatever there is a last digit, it should be first to be multiplied with the 2. Then whatever we have got the answer, that we need to subtract with the other two remaining starting digits. Divisible rule of 2 is last digit should end with the even numbers. Now let us see what is the divisible rule of the 15. The given number should be divisible by 5 as well as the 3. So what is the divisible rule of 15? The given digit should be divisible by the 5 and 3. Example 135. The last digit is divisible is 5 and it is divisible by 5. 135, you are going to add it as 9 is divisible by 3. The given number is divisible by 15. The divisible rule of 16 is the given number should be divisible by 2, 4, 8. So you have to see whether the given number is divisible by all of this divisible rule, that is 2, 4 as well as 8. Now let us see the divisible rule for the 17. Multiply the last digit of given number with the 5. Then subtract it with a remaining digits. Multiply the last digit with 5, then subtract it with the remaining digits. So you are supposed to multiply the last digit with 5, then you are supposed to subtract it with the remaining digits. So first you are going to multiply last digits into 5, then you are going to subtract it. We can say that the given number is divisible by 17. So next one is going to be what? The divisible rule of 18. The given number should be divisible by 9 as well as 2. Then that number is divisible by 18. Whatever they have given the number, that number should be divisible by 9 as well as 2. Then we can say that the given number is divisible by 18. So all these are very important. Please concentrate. Now let us see what is the divisible rule of 19. Multiply the last digit of given number with 2. multiply the last digit of given number with 2, then add it with the remaining digits. So multiply the given last digit with the 2, then you are going to add with the starting digits. It takes time to learn these concepts, but they are major for aptitudes, simplification, approximation questions. After learning all divisible rule, it is easier for the calculation and simple as well. Thank you.